Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to play Block Blast for beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Block Blast game on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, check out my other video on how to download it from the Play Store. The goal of the game is to drag and drop blocks on the grid to create complete rows or columns. When you do, they disappear and you score points. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a set of blocks. Tap and drag a block to place it on the grid. Think strategically about where to put it for the best results. To score points, fill up a row or column completely. Once it's filled, it will disappear, giving you more space to add new blocks. The game ends if you can't fit any of the blocks into the grid. Plan ahead to avoid getting stuck. Try to clear multiple rows or columns at once for bonus points. The more combos you make, the higher you score. Every game is a chance to improve. Practice placing blocks strategically and soon you'll be scoring like a pro. And that's it. You're ready to start playing Block Blast and having fun.